Cybersecurity could very well make a case as the number one challenge faced by not only manufacturers, but all businesses. A hacker attack occurs every 39 seconds and affects 1 in 3 Americans every year. You may not have been a victim of a cyber attack, but I bet most of my Montblanc Elvis Presley collection that you know someone who has been a victim. The biggest mistake organizations make is believing that they are too small to be targeted. This is 100% incorrect. Every business is a target. Let me break down some of the facts for you. So, most data breaches, 48% of them, were caused by malicious or criminal attacks, 25% by negligent employees or contractors, and 27% involve system glitches. Cyber intrusions have increased 400% in the age of COVID, with particular impacts in SMBs and financial fraud. The average ransom paid in 2021 is now $310,000, and the average downtime for an organization due to ransomware attack is 21 days. That's over 5% of your annual revenue lost. If you are a $10 million business, that's over $500,000 total.